Ola Electric accelerates EV revolution with record expansion to 4,000 stores nationwide, opens 3,200 plus new stores co-located with service centers, making it India's largest EV expansion at one go. Expansion spans beyond metros and Tier 1 and 2 cities into smaller towns and tehsils, democratizing access to EVs nationwide, opens priority registrations for MoveOS 5 beta, with features such as group navigation, live location sharing, road trip mode powered by Ola Maps, among others. Announces offers worth up to 25,000 rupees on S1 portfolio. Ola Electric, India's largest pure-play EV company, today expanded its network to 4,000 stores nationwide, one of the world's most significant expansions of the EV footprint, bolstering access, growth, and adoption in the country. Ola Electric cements its leadership in the space, with the launch of 3,200 plus new stores co-located with service facilities. The company is committed to driving large-scale EV adoption.
Good morning, and you are all here at Indranagar store. This is our first store, but today is a very special day for Ola, and not just for Ola, actually for the whole country. Today we have launched 4,000 stores across India, right? And yeah, and all these stores will have service integrated with the stores, and it all got launched today, and you can just start to buy from today, like go to walk into any of our stores and start buying your favorite S1. Right? And this truly is a moment where the EV revolution will be taken to every nooks and corner of India, and every Indian can now save up to 4,000 rupees just by buying EV, by switching to EV. So petrol पे पैसा ना बर्बाद करें, but electric खरीदे. That's what we'll all say to all Indians. We have different products. We have S1X, and then we have the Air and the Pro. The S1X model starts from as low as 75,000 rupees, and today we are running special discount up to 7,000 rupees, and total benefits worth up to 25,000 rupees. And you can avail this. There's a special offer for today, so you can buy it from today and from all our stores.
Stores now all across the country. Every Indian can purchase an EV. Owning an EV is now easier than buying a burger or a pizza at your local shop. EV, this is the moment that EV gets democratized across the country in the truest way.
What is the mileage and the battery hour?
So we have models all across, from a 2 kilowatt hour variant to a 4 kilowatt hour variant. The 4 kilowatt hour variant can give you mileage more than 190 kilometers
On single charge.
on a single charge.
So we have different, the 2 kilowatt hour and the 4 kilowatt hour. All of these have different charging times, and then so it ranges from, let's say, 2 hours to 4.5 hours. And we also have fast chargers and hyperchargers spread across the country, where you can take your battery from 20% to 80% in less than an hour. So customers can use our hypercharger and fast charger network as well. And as part of the benefits today, we are also offering 4,000 rupees worth of free charging credits to all our customers. No, I mean, first of all, I would like to thank our 1 million strong community, or people who have already purchased Ola EV, right, and many more who are in the waiting to buy the Ola EV scooter. We think that for us as a country also to adopt EV, this is a big moment, right? Because it's available everywhere. Service is available everywhere. So we have battery warranty. So all the things that you are not sure of is solved, right, through this launch. And I hope that people come and experience, test drive our products, and buy, purchase, and truly save 4,000 every month.